Hey guys, welcome back to Maccustoms. Today we're going to be working on this Kawasaki root force. We're going to be putting in a Super ATV lift kit, 2-inch I believe. Yeah, we're going to show you how we do that. We start by jacking in the tires, and then we're going to remove our upper shock bolts. They're 14 mil both sides. You need a 12 mil down on the sway bar. You'll need a 17 to get the tires off. Alright, so we got both tires off. Use a 14 shock bolts out. $12 mil. Sway bar here. There's one side the sway bar, huh? I think these brute forces were the same for a lot of years, so I imagine this lift kit fits most years. Our first step is to put the spacer in, so I might as well start with that. It's going to go on your sway bar. Yeah, terrible fucking trying to get these in. Other side just fucking popped off. Unbelievable. Alright guys, holes in these little brackets are not close enough to line up anyways. I just took the last one and drilled it on the drill press here, just a shade bigger on each hole. And went right on there anyways. Okay, so that should work out a lot better now. Pretty frustrating trying to start the bolts for 10 minutes. It's hard to kind of get it in like that, so I'm just going to slide the rubber in and bring her back under like that. Just because the other side's tight. Almost tight. So you might have to wiggle your, it's all pretty tight on this bike, it's brand new, but you'll wiggle your sway bar around a little bit to move it to line it up. But anyways, once I did that, the holes drilled, bolts went right in the holes. Definitely should have been able to go smoother than it did, for sure. Okay, so that's that side tight. Let's see what this side is now. Alright guys, next we're going to find these little tab pieces. The spacer. And they're going to slide in. It's going to go this piece on the inside. And then this in there as well. then the bolt right through. And same thing there. A couple nuts out of the kit, and we're just going to screw them on there finger tight now. Okay, so we're going to get a shock in there. Get her bolt in. I'm just going to put a nut on the back of there. Same thing, and leave it loose. I'll do this side. Okay, on the other side, if you get the bolt started, then you can just use this flat blade to line up the one on the back. That's basically it for the back, other than tighten it all up. And the tires back on. All this went pretty good. Putting them blocks on, you're going to want to ream them holes out right away, I'd say. Unless I just got a shitty set by some chance. But yeah, that's the back. We'll show you when we get to the front. Front of the bike jacked up here. We're going to get the wheels and tires up. And alright guys, we're going to start by loosening off the shock here. That's going to be two 14 mils. Get that top bolt out. Get this light mounted here, and I'm hoping that the bracket's going to get by all that. Should it? Okay, there's that one out. Thinking the front should be a little easier where there's no sway bar. See what we're going to do. Alright guys, I got the front wheels and the shocks off the front here. Got our bracket here. It's got a cutout. That's for the rad hose on the far side. The cutout will be to the left hand side of the bike if you're looking at the bike. And then it's basically the same as the back. We're going to put we got our tabs, one for each side, the spacer for each side. So this is going to go in like this. Basically with this, and this will go inside where the little shock was. The flat piece is going to go down on the front here. The back, this piece here. These new bolts are different size than the old ones. They're 15 millimeter nut and a 13 mil on the bolt. You're going to leave them loose until Get the shock in. This is pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna leave this side until I get this side on, and I'll tighten it all up. Yeah, so that's it in the front, guys. That fire across there. Spacer and a little tab. Second bolt on the shock. I'm gonna tighten them up. Like I said, these new bolts here are 13, and the nuts are 15 mil. Yes, that's the install on the 2-inch Super ATV lift on a Kawasaki brute force. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.